Hi class, I wanted to give you a quick video on how to add and subtract money. We're going to watch a video together and I'm going to show you my notes, and then we're even going to work one or two problems together. So let's get started. My notebook looks like this. If you'll notice that I have the topic, adding and subtracting money. I have a list of terms. I have my notes from the video, and then I have a sentence stem for a summary. What I think is a great idea, and my students last year used to do this, is pause the video and you can copy the notes. Sorry about the background noise.
It has been attempted. He is choosing to become physically aggressive.
So we are going to watch that video. Okay, let's go ahead and watch that video. Remember, like I said, I'm going to show the notes, but you can pause this video at any time and get to finish writing the notes.
Money, 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 money. Let's work on adding and subtracting, you guessed it, money. Here's a problem to solve. Mackenzie had $147.16 in her bank account. She deposited $32.45. Then, a few days later, she withdrew $25. How much money is left in Mackenzie's bank account? So, let's see. Mackenzie started with $147.16 and deposited or added to her account $32.45.
You'll notice that the video lines up the decimals and the place values. So in my notes, you'll notice that I also wrote that down, and I lined up my place values and I lined up my decimals. I also wrote the first step, which is to write your numbers vertically and line up the place value and decimals. And really, it's a very simple process because it's only two steps. The second step is add or subtract and then regroup when necessary. The biggest remember is to line up those decimals, also to place the decimal in the answer. Let's watch the rest of the video.
Remember to line up the decimal points. Then we can add each place value, starting with the hundredths place. So far, Mackenzie has $179.61 in her bank account. But then Mackenzie took out or withdrew $25. So we'll subtract 25 from her total. Just like before, we line up the decimal points. Then we subtract each place value, starting with the hundredths place. Mackenzie has $154.61 left in her bank account. And that is how you add and subtract money, 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 money. Oh yeah, come on, sing it with me. Money, 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 money.
So let me show you my notes one last time. So basically, very simple process, two steps. First step, line the numbers up vertically and line up the place values in decimals. Next, add or subtract and regroup if necessary. Remember to put your decimal in your answer. Let's try a couple problems together. This is located on Seesaw. So I'm going to go ahead and work a couple of these problems with you. So this is a plus sign. So 4 plus 4 is 8. It's already lined up for me. I'm going to see if I can make this a little bit smaller. Here, let's see if that's better. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. I put my decimal in. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is $3.78. Let's try this subtraction one. So if I'm looking here, 4 minus 7, bigger bottom, I've got to regroup. So the 3 B's, B, B, B. Bottom, bigger, borrow. So I'm going to cross out my 6, change it to 5 because I've taken a set of tens, and then this becomes 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 5 minus 8, I cannot do that either, so I have to, again, regroup. So I change that to a 3. This becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. I place my decimal point. 3 minus 1 is 2. So in this case, the answer is $2.77. So follow the directions and finish the problems that I've assigned. Good luck. And if you need to watch the video again, do that to help you understand. Also, I'm going to end with my notes, so if you need to finish copying the notes, you can. Remember, you have a seesaw practice to complete to help you get some practice with this skill. Here's my notes. Good luck.